Let more children join, then we'll start. It is your science class, children. Yes? Are you all ready with your science books and pencils in your hand? Open page number Open page number 114, pollution and conservation. Pollution and conservation. 114. All right, so before starting with science, I want to tell you something related to your project. What you have to do is the instructions have come from the school and CBSE board that you all have to make the project separately as you are making, but you have to keep all your project punch papers files in one big file. Means you know that bag with the folder where you can keep all your punch papers. So you have to purchase that folder. I think it comes for 10 to 15 rupees. That folder. In that folder, you have to keep all your projects so that they are not misplaced. Okay. And you don't have to send your PDF. You have to keep all your projects, tie all projects separately, means 3 pages for English, tied separately, 3 pages for science, tied separately, for math separately, and then keep all the projects in one folder. And then stick your name slip on the folder so that it is very clear that the project and folder belongs to which child. If you are not going to stick the name slip, then I will not be able to know whose project file is this. All right. So make sure you make the project files and then keep all the files in one folder. File means punch papers. You keep all your projects in one folder and then stick the name slip on the folder. Is that clear to everybody? How you have to submit? Yes? All right. All right. So purchase one folder and stick the name slip on it and keep all your projects. When you are done with your projects, keep them in the folder. Okay? Yes. That you will be informed. You just that you will be informed how you have to submit it. Under guidance, you have to write the teacher name. Means who is asking you to make the project, who is giving you the guidance, okay? Related to the project. The teacher name you have to write. Means in English, math, science, socials, you will write my name, and in the project, you will write Ma'am Rupali's name. Okay? All right. And you have got computer project also. Okay. Take what? Your voice is not clear, beta. No. No. Why you will stick stickers? No. Okay. No, I don't want any cartoons and flowers in that, please. Project should look like a project. Okay? It should not look like a cartoon page. All right. So open a new chapter in science, pollution and conservation. Page number 114. Can you see four types of images here on this page? Now, in this chapter, we are going to study about different types of pollution. When we move out of our homes, we go through different types of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, okay, environment pollution. So these makes our environment unhealthy, these makes our life unhealthy. So any unwanted substance which is not healthy is present in water, in air or soil, those substances are called pollution. And conservation means protection, means how we can protect our land, our water, our air, and our environment for future. So pollution and conservation we are going to study in this chapter. Now page number 114, can you see four images there? Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to write the names of these images. Now first image, what it is showing? What the first image is showing to us? What type of pollution it is showing? Yes, water pollution. Very good, very good. So, can you see four lines below the? Yes, it is water pollution. Can you see four lines below the images? So, on the first line, write water pollution. Put number one there and write water pollution. So, first image which is showing to us is about water pollution. Right there, water pollution, number one. Number two, what image is showing to us? Air pollution. Very good. Very good. So on second line, write number two, air pollution. Good morning. Air pollution. Point number two, air pollution. Then point number three. See, plastic is very harmful for our environment because it never decomposes. So number three is environment pollution. Number three, environment pollution. Environment spelling Environment. 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 Environment pollution. Because plastic never decomposes and it is very harmful and dangerous for our environment. Number four, what type of pollution can you see in the fourth image? Yes, land pollution or soil pollution. You can write anything, land pollution or soil pollution. Land pollution or soil pollution. Written on four types of pollutions. No, land pollution or soil pollution. Last one. What is the second one? Your voice is disconnecting. See, I'm repeating. Number one is water pollution. Number two is air pollution. You can easily see in the picture. The vehicle is the very bad and smoky smoke is coming out from the vehicle. The black smoke that is very harmful for air. So it is air pollution. Third is environment pollution because plastic never decomposes and it is very dangerous for environment. And number four is your land or soil pollution. You can write land pollution and you can write soil pollution also. Now, mark the diagrams that you have to draw. The diagrams that you have to draw, first of all, you have to make all types of pollution. land pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Okay. And in one more, noise pollution. Noise pollution, you can make speakers, loudspeakers, horns. Okay. Have you understood what you have to make? All types of pollution you have to make: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Also, in noise pollution, you can make horns and loudspeakers. Okay. Now, environment, you can make plastic. देखो, four images are already there. Water pollution is there, air pollution is there, environment pollution is there, land pollution is there, and for noise pollution, you can make speakers and horns. Okay. Now, turn page and see the diagram. You have to make, beta. Four images are already given to you. Four images are already given to you, and these four you have to make plus one more, that is noise pollution, speakers and horns. Total five types of pollutions you have to make. Now turn page and come on page number 118. Come on page number 118. Come on page number 118. Can you see the logo of reuse, recycle, and reduce? Three R's. Reduce, recycle, reuse. You have to make this diagram also. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So now you have total six diagrams with you. Four types of pollution, total five types of pollution, and one logo of three R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Got it? You can make two diagrams on one page. Two diagrams on one page you can make. Total six diagrams are there, so there will be three pages used. Okay? And make diagrams neatly. Outline the diagram also. All right? This much clear to everybody? Any doubt? All right. All right. So let's study page number 115 today. Page number 115. We get air, food, and water from the earth. Things around us, such as plants, animals, and land, are the part of our environment. Yes, what is the part of our environment? The things which are around us, that is, plants are around us, animals are around us, land is around us, air is around us. So, all these things makes our environment, and it is very important to keep our environment clean and balanced. Then only we will be able to live long and healthy. A clean and balanced environment is necessary for our survival on the earth. But over the years, various human activities have caused severe harm to the environment. And human beings, we all know, are the biggest threat to the environment, because all human being activities like factories, vehicles, all these things pollute environment, which is in return very harmful and dangerous for our survival only. Over the years, when environment become unhealthy, polluted, it start affecting human lives. People start becoming very weak. They start having very types of diseases. All right. So it is our duty to keep our environment clean. Now we are going to study about pollution, environment pollution. Any activity carried out by us that harms the air. Mute your mic. Any activity carried out by us that harms the air, water, land is called pollution. Underline, this is the definition of pollution. Underline the definition of pollution. Any activity carried out by us that harms the air, water, and land. Means if we throw garbage in land, on land, it is land pollution. If we are throwing dirty water and garbage in water, it is causing water pollution. If we are using vehicles that are pollutant, spreading pollution and smoke, factories spreading pollution and smoke, it is causing air pollution. So any activity which is done by human beings that causes harm to the air or water or land, that is known as pollution. And the things that causes pollution are called pollutants. So underline the next line also. The substances that causes pollution are called pollutants. Now, if we are throwing plastic bottle in water, we are causing pollution, and that plastic bottle is pollutant. Why? Because that bottle is causing pollution. It is the substance that is causing pollution. So, water bottle is pollutant. So, the substances that causes pollution are called pollutants. Underlined? Today we see pollution around us everywhere. Open garbage dumps, plastic and paper littered in the water bodies and roadsides, vehicles throwing out black smoke, etc. are some examples of environmental pollution. Underline the examples of environmental pollution also. Open dumps, roadsides, water bodies, vehicles throwing out black smoke. Underline the examples also. Now we come on to air pollution. Addition of harmful substances to the air is called air pollution. This is the definition of air pollution. Underline. When harmful substances are added in the air, then it is called air pollution. Now, which is the most dangerous thing that is that causes air pollution? The most dangerous thing is smoke. So underline, smoke coming out of vehicle and factories and burning of waste are the major cause of air pollution. So example of air pollution is smoke coming from the vehicles and factories and burning of waste. These are the two examples of air pollution. Then why air pollution is dangerous? Because it causes many types of diseases. What type of diseases it causes? It causes diseases like asthma and lung cancer. Because when we are inhaling polluted air, okay, then slowly and gradually what happens? It creates lung cancer and diseases like asthma, which is very dangerous for our lives. Some ways to prevent air pollution. How we can prevent or reduce air pollution. First is make vehicles must run on environment friendly fuel such as compressed natural gas, CNG. Underline the full form of CNG, compressed natural gas. This is non polluting gas. So vehicles must run on CNG. They should not run on petrol and diesel, because when petrol and diesel is burned, the smoke comes out from vehicles, which is very harmful. But when vehicles uses CNG, no smoke comes out from the vehicles. It is environment friendly fuel, compressed natural gas. Number two, smoke coming out of factories must first be passed through filters that can remove harmful material present in the smoke. Yes, directly black smoke should not be thrown out of the factories through chimneys. First, they should go through the filters so that when it is coming out of the factories, it is not so harmful. Then, number three, Waste should not be burned. You must have seen at the side of the roads what happen early in the morning, and sometimes when too much of garbage is burned out. That should be stopped. Sweepers, they collect the garbage at one place and they burn it. You must have seen that. Now that activity has been strictly stopped by the government. Why? Because it creates a lot and lot of pollution in the air, smoke in the air. So waste should not be burned. We should grow more trees, as trees absorb harmful carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Vehicles also cause noise pollution. As I told you, horns and loudspeakers, they are the main cause of noise pollution. Continuous honking from vehicles, honking means using of horns. Continuous honking from vehicles is very disturbing and harmful. When when our classes goes on in the school, and you must have heard that after interval and sometimes from the windows too much of noise come from the roadside. Yes, so all these things are, the vehicles are the main causes of noise pollution because they keep honking the horns. Plus, another thing is loudspeakers. Apart from this, excessive noise from loudspeakers, firecrackers, and loud music from parties can lead to deafness and other ailments. Now, what are the diseases that can be caused from noise pollution? Is deafness, underlying deafness. It is necessary to create public awareness on this. Proper regulations for the use of loudspeakers and other devices that produces loud noise are required. Anti-pollution laws should be enacted and enforced. A ban on firecrackers should be imposed. Yes, in many places in Delhi NCR already the ban on firecrackers is done because Delhi is the most populated city. It is very populated, polluted city, very polluted city. So, what are the steps taken by the government? The government should ban the firecrackers, and honking of horns should be controlled. Loudspeakers, loud music should be controlled so that noise pollution is controlled in future endeavors. So, what you have to do is you have to draw the diagrams. 6 diagrams I have given you today. 2 diagrams on one page you have to draw. Plus, you have to read this page. Page number 115 you have to read today. This is your homework for science. Clear? Diagrams and page number 115.